Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMModel.com. In a series of video tutorials, we're going to learn about the column, which is a slanted column that we're going to discuss. When you are creating a vertical column, you can see that you can select any types that you needed and you can place it wherever you need it. But when you go to the slanted column, if you have not tried this, try this option, 3D snapping option, where you can define where is a place, even any angle you will be able to define it. You just need a 3D snapping point and you will be able to click any direction that you wanted to draw. You need a snapping point, that's it. So you can define the corner and you will be able to define the shapes that you needed. So with this, you'll be able to create, this also work with beams, and with this you will be able to create different shapes and modules in a different direction. This is not possible in the older versions where you can do it in this in a recent version of Revit. Do let me know if you are using this in a different project and how it is beneficial to you. I also looking for Revit to create a more interactive future in modeling in 3D. That will be helpful for us to model it. If you have any specific questions on Revit, we will be able to address that in a different tutorial. With that, see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.